Hello Internet, I'm Di. Have you ever completely lost it? No, I mean not your marbles, I'm talking about your chuck key. I've come up with a couple of really great ways to make sure you never lose your chuck key, and I'm talking magnets. So here is a very strong neodymium magnet glued to my tailstock with basically crazy glue or advanced CA glue, and I'll show you the details there. But you can just plop it right there and it's right next to your chuck. Pretty hard to lose and really easy to get to. I have one mounted to the head of my milling machine, which is ready access and out of the way from all of the other movements, including the spindle controls, etc. So on my drill press, I have the key tied to a chain, which I find just more accessible for this particular machine. I can just reach over, grab the chain, and pull it out to the end and find the chuck key, and then use the chuck key right away, and then just let it drop. On my wood lathe, the magnet holds it right under the tailstock where I can readily find it and access it, use it, and put it right back. If you're going to use crazy glue, which is more professionally known as CA glue or cyanoacrylate glue, I highly recommend Bob Smith Industries Instacure. It comes in super thin, medium, and thickened, and you can use either. You also will need some Insta Set because that will really help you to set it more quickly. This glue will set very quickly to start with, within minutes. This will set it almost instantly, of course, by name Insta Set. It's known as an accelerator. And super solvent, so you don't stick your fingers together. But this is the way to go. You don't want to use the off-the-shelf, cheap, crazy glue, super glue stuff. It's not as good. It won't bond as well, it won't last. And I made this little block here so I can't knock these over, because if this spills, the glue gets into the tip and sticks the tip to the bottle. Another way to mount these is to purchase a magnet with a countersink hole in it, so you can screw it down with either a machine screw or a wood screw, depending on the surface, and that will secure it much more securely than cyanoacrylate or CA glue. It just means that you have to drill a hole in your piece of equipment, and not everybody wants to do that. Links to the magnets and the glue are below in the description. Thanks for watching. Give me a like or subscribe if you'd like. I have more quick tips coming up and some long-form videos of making of process and other tips about improving and updating my equipment. See you soon.